Hey everyone, and welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we're taking a little detour from the cosmos to talk about something closer to home, something you're probably looking at right now. I'm talking about screens. From our phones to our TVs, our laptops to our watches, they dominate our lives. But what if I told you their days are numbered? What if the next great leap in technology isn't a better screen, but no screen at all? Think about it. Every major technology, once it reaches a certain level of maturity, tends to disappear. It becomes so integrated into our environment that we stop noticing it. Take electricity. You don't think about the wires in your walls. You just flip a switch and expect light. Or the internet. It's just there. Screens are the next in line for this vanishing act. The journey to this point has been a steady march toward more intuitive interaction. We went from clunky punch cards to keyboards, which were a huge improvement. Then we moved from keyboards and mice to touchscreens, making our interactions with digital information even more direct and physical. Each step removed a layer of abstraction, bringing us closer to the information itself. So, what's the final step? To remove the physical interface altogether. Imagine a world where the information you need simply appears in your field of view right when you need it. You're walking down the street and directions are overlaid directly onto the path ahead. You meet someone new and their name and professional details subtly appear beside them. You're cooking and the recipe floats in the air next to your ingredients, advancing to the next step as you complete the previous one. When you don't need the information anymore, it just fades away. No device to pull out of your pocket, no screen to unlock, no app to open. This is the fundamental shift from technology demanding our attention to technology supporting our intention. Right now, our devices are attention vampires. That little red notification dot, the endless scroll, the constant buzzing, they're all designed to pull you in, to make you look at the screen. But in a screenless future, technology becomes a quiet partner. It anticipates what you want to do and provides the necessary tools without interrupting your flow. It serves your goals, not the other way around. So, what does this cosmic drive, this push toward invisible tech, look like in practice? We're already seeing the early signs. Augmented reality glasses are a stepping stone. They project digital information onto the real world, but they're still a physical device you have to wear. The true revolution will come with things like advanced retinal projectors that beam images directly onto your eye, or even brain-computer interfaces that bypass the visual system entirely, feeding information straight into your consciousness. It sounds like science fiction, right? But remember, a pocket-sized supercomputer that could access all of human knowledge was science fiction just a few decades ago. The pace of innovation is accelerating. The question we should be asking is no longer what's the next hot device, but how seamless, how invisible can we make our technology? The goal is to live our lives more fully in the real world, enhanced by a digital layer that we control rather than being controlled by it. It's about reclaiming our attention and focus. When information is contextual and ephemeral, appearing only when relevant, our minds are freed up. We can be more present with the people around us, more engaged in our tasks, and more connected to the world. This isn't about creating a dystopian future where we're bombarded with ads in our vision. It's about designing a more human-centric technological ecosystem, one where technology becomes a silent, supportive force like gravity or the air we breathe. It's there. It's essential, but you don't have to think about it. It just works, helping you navigate your world and achieve your goals. The end of the screen is not the end of the digital age. It's the beginning of its true integration into our reality. It's the moment technology finally gets out of the way so we can get on with our lives. What do you think? Are you ready to say goodbye to your screens, or does the idea of a screenless world seem a little unsettling? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. We love diving into these future-forward topics. And if you want to keep fueling your mind beyond its limits, make sure you subscribe to Earth and Space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.